Okay, so we will solve this one more GATE 2023 question, and this is our question. The major product formed in the given reaction is, this is our reactant, this is R, and these are our reagents, and these are the four options given to us, and now we are going to solve. So now we know this is going to act as the catalyst, and it is going to bond to something to which it is going to act as a electron donor and also as well as a electron acceptor, and where it can do that job well here, because if it bonds here it can take electron from this pi bond and it can also donate electrons to this pi bond, because here we have this electron withdrawing group, and because of that there will be a electron deficiency, a little bit of electron deficiency, and this palladium will be able to donate electrons. So this is how it is going to attach itself here. This bond, we will have our palladium attached here. This is our leaving group. Now, okay, R. So now when this palladium is going to again donate and take during this leaving group is going to go out, and because of that we will get this compound. We will get positive charge here. This will still be same, and this rest of this will also stay same. R. Okay, so now because we have positive charge here, this pi bond will move here and we will get positive charge here, and this can be written as, okay, this can be written like this. Okay, okay, now let's see what we can do with this. So this bond we have now, double bond, this can attack from here and this can attack from here. Okay, according to this attack we are going to get either these two, out of these two, or these two. So first we have to decide where it is going to attack. So from Baldwin rule of how two bicyclic rings are going to be stable, we know that a 5-membered ring is stable here. So this is going to attack here and we are going to get a 5-membered ring. So these two are out. We have two options now. First is this one, this pi bond here, this PD, this is going to attach itself here like this. Okay, and this remaining will be here like this, because pi bond is gone, we will have this. Okay, okay, sorry, I forgot to write R. Okay, so now what can be done is that this palladium will move here. Okay, this, and here we will have this palladium, this is pi bond here, and now what we are going to do is that here we have one more hydrogen atom. Okay, so what this palladium is going to do is that it is going to take this and it is going to go out, and because of this we are going to have this pi bond here. So this is going to be our final product. Pi bond here, this 5-membered ring. Okay, this is our final product, and also this bond has to be syn, because if it is trans then it is not going to be stable. Here in these options you are not asked that, but you should know that if this bond is trans it is not going to be stable. This has to be syn so that it is stable. So this is our correct answer, or our most stable answer.